With your DJI Osmo Action 3 camera, you have the opportunity that when your camera is off and you press on the recording button, it can start a video, a HDR video, or a time warp. So if I press on it while it's off, as you can see, it did turn on the camera and start recording. Now, if I stop the recording, I will have two options. The first one is to just let the camera turn off, or I have 3 seconds to tap on the screen to cancel the turn off. So let's see what it does. I press it, it stops the recording, and then I have 3 seconds. So let's tap, and it doesn't turn off. So if you want to change what that button do, you swipe down from the very top, you hit the gear just right there, and the feature is just right there. It's Snapshot. As you can see, actually it's on video mode. If I press here, I can change it to HDR or eye collapse. So choose what you want to have and make a good use of it.